Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is Thriller, Thriller night. And no one's gonna save you from the beast about to strike. You know it's Thriller, Thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. You hear the door slam and realize there's no one left to run. You feel the cold hand and wonder if you'll ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination, girl. But all the while, you hear the creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is Thriller, Thriller night. There ain't no second chance against the thing with 40 eyes. No, it's Thriller, Thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller tonight. Night creatures calling, the dead start to walk in their masquerade. There's no escaping the jaws of the alien this time. This is the end of your life, 'cause this is Thriller, Thriller night. 'Cause I can dream more than any ghost would ever dare. Now it's Thriller, Thriller night. So let me hold you tight and share a killer thriller. I'm gonna thrill you tonight. The foulest stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years.
And grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom.
And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver.
For no mere mortal can resist the evil of the Thriller. Ha!